Okay, poets, now that you've had an opportunity to practice playing around with line breaks, reviewing writing about things that give you a big feeling, and learning to review how to do rhyming and repetition, alliteration, making comparisons with similes and metaphors, the next thing that we're going to talk about is something you've done before called writing an acrostic poem. And if you remember, an acrostic poem is where you use the letters of the word that you are going to write about, the object or the person. And then with the first letter in each line, you continue on with a word or a phrase that has something to do with that. And so I'm just going to give you an example. And we want to make sure that we are creating the images that we want when we do this. And so in honor of Mother's Day, I want you to think of someone special to you that you could write an acrostic poem for in honor of that person, someone that's special to you. So I have two examples here that I'm going to share with you. And the first example, I did one titled Mother. So this one here says, magnificent meal maker. So you can see the letters here. Sorry, the letters here for mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. So you'll write those words and those letters in uppercase on a piece of paper going down. Then this becomes the first letter of whatever the word is. So you want to think of a word that starts with that letter that would make sense and apply to whoever you're writing it about. So for example, from when I was thinking about mother, I was thinking, oh, she was a magnificent meal maker. She sure was one and only, trustworthy. She had hair like gold, an excellent hug giver, and really loves me. Okay. Then I was also thinking about other people who were special to me. My aunt. And I didn't put her whole name just to save time. So I just wrote the word aunt and the letters to spell the word aunt. But aunt is spelled A-U-N-T. And again, you'll notice here I used the first letter in the acrostic to continue the phrase. So always there for me, understanding, nice, and tells the best jokes. So you are going to, in writing today, you are going to be thinking about a person who is special to you, and I want you to write an acrostic using that person's name or however that person is related to you, and then ask yourself this question: are these words creating the image that you want that will help create a big feeling for that person? And then you can give this wonderful acrostic poem to this person. So again, an acrostic poem is a type of poem where you use the letters that spell out the word. You write them down vertically on a piece of paper, and then the first letter becomes the first letter in each word for that line. All right, can't wait to see what you come up with, and then be sure to give that special acrostic poem